Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this ScreenPal guide for 2026, I'll show you how to add captions in ScreenPal. Whether you're creating YouTube videos, tutorials, online courses, presentations, social media content, or business videos, captions can improve accessibility, increase viewer engagement, and help your audience follow along more easily. So let's get started. First, sign in to your ScreenPal account and open the video you want to edit. If you've just finished recording, you can open the video directly from the recording screen. You can also upload an existing video into the ScreenPal editor. Once your video is loaded, navigate to the editing workspace and review the timeline. Make sure your video is ready for captioning before you begin. Next, look for the captions, subtitles, or text tools within the editor. Depending on your ScreenPal version and subscription plan, you may see options for automatic captions, manual captions, or caption imports, and that's how to add captions in ScreenPal. By generating captions, reviewing their accuracy, adjusting timing, and customizing their appearance, you can make your videos more accessible, engaging, and professional. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.